Meaning of French plait.
French plait.
French plait.
French plait.
French plait. A French plait, also known as a French braid, is a hairstyle that involves weaving 3 strands of hair together in a way that creates an intertwined effect. The plait begins at the crown of the head, with the hair being gathered and divided into 3 sections. Each section is then braided in an alternating pattern, where the outer sections are woven over the middle section to create a raised, textured look. The plait is secured at the bottom with a hair tie or ribbon, resulting in a chic and timeless hairstyle that can be dressed up or down.